Today's video is all about juicing, what juicing is and why we should juice. I'm also going to go over what it does to our bodies in the way of healing, detoxifying, cleansing, and for healthy maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned juicer or a first-time juicer, getting some information about why juicing is so powerful for us is what this video is all about. Hi, I'm VeRAWonica. I'm a mindset shifter, a fuel style queen, and I'm a lifestyle coach. Welcome to my channel where it's all about getting the tools to empower yourself mentally with positive thoughts, fueling your body with high nutrition, and giving you strategies to heal yourself holistically so you can live a rawlicious life full of energy and vitality. So let's go on a juicy journey and discover the incredible health benefits of juicing. How does juicing work? Juicing typically is done by using a juicer, like the Nama J2 juicer. You can watch my video on my unboxing, assembly, cleaning, and creating a rawlicious green juice. And then my review on this juicer, which in my opinion is the queen of juicers. So check out my Nama J2 video link in the description below. Juicers like the Nama J2 extract the juice from fresh plant-based foods, separating the liquid content from the solid fiber called pulp. The juice contains most of the vitamins, minerals, enzymes, antioxidants, and amino acids and phytonutrients from the produce, and is a highly concentrated way of getting dense nutrients in the form of liquid. So why should we juice? There are so many reasons to juice, and here are just 3 of them. Number 1, you get more for less. And what that means is when you juice fruits and vegetables, they yield more concentrated nutrients in a glass than if we ate the whole produce required to make that juice. I call it life in a glass. So delicious. The reason I call it life in a glass is because juices are packed with these vitamins, minerals, enzymes, antioxidants, and that supercharges our cells, producing more energy for our bodies. This is a fast and easy way to get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables. Number 2, juicing is super bioavailable, and that means juicing makes it easier for our bodies to absorb the nutrients quicker. Since fiber is removed during juicing, our digestive system doesn't have to work as hard to break down the fiber or the roughage. This is really great for anyone with digestive issues or anyone who finds it difficult to eat solid fruits and vegetables. Number 3, juicing helps with detoxification. Why? Because juicing supports our body's natural detoxification process. Many of the fruits and vegetables like beets and celery and leafy greens, they contain compounds that help the liver function more effectively and efficiently. When our liver is working optimally, it processes and eliminates toxins better, which helps with our overall health. When we go on a holistic journey of healing, cleansing, detoxifying, and releasing weight, 10% of our energy is not used to digest our food, which ultimately leaves more energy for our bodies to heal, detox, cleanse, and release fat. So how does juicing heal our bodies? One of the ways it heals our bodies is that it boosts our immune system. Fresh organic fruits, herbs, and vegetables are rich in high nutrients, which is what our bodies need to build a strong and healthy immune system. Juicing plant-based foods like broccoli, citrus, kale, strawberries, kiwi, which are all high in vitamin C, increases our white blood cell production, which are immune system cells, and therefore the key to fighting colds and bacteria, viruses, and infections. Another way juicing heals is by providing anti-inflammatory benefits. Dark leafy greens and herbs like ginger and turmeric contain compounds that help reduce inflammation, which is the root of many health issues, such as heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Juicing helps heal and soothe our gastrointestinal tract, often called the gut, by reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and balancing our gut flora. If you want more information about this, you can watch my video on digestive health in the description below. And a healthy gut is crucial for our overall well-being because it leads to better nutrition, better nutrient absorption, improved immunity, and even better mood. So let's go through a few more health benefits of juicing. It's our amazing energy booster because of how fast the nutrients from the juice are absorbed by our cells, which create our energy. And because of the fast absorption, it helps increase our stamina, and the juice is perfect for a pre-workout drink as it causes a natural pick-me-up without the crash that we typically get from consuming caffeine and or sugar. It's a amazing mood booster because of the high levels of concentrated nutrients. It enhances our brain function, which connects to our good mood center and can therefore reduce our anxiety and even depression. It's a amazing way to release weight. Check out the video, Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead, about a man's journey, Joe Cross, with weight loss, holistic healing, and health. I put the link for that movie also in the description below. And on a side note, Joe Cross is a partner with Nama Wellness, the developer of the Nama J2 juicer. Weight loss can be achieved through juicing because it helps with calorie control, because with juicing, we consume a lot of nutrients without a lot of calories. Juicing helps with curbing our unhealthy cravings. And when our body is getting the nutrients it needs, our body is less likely to crave junk food. You can also grab my free cravings chart in the link below. Juicing helps our bodies kickstart metabolism, which starts the weight loss process. And juicing helps our bodies kickstart our metabolism, which starts the weight loss process. We can also get glowing skin from juicing because juices nourish our cells, our muscles, our organs, and especially our largest external organ, our skin. Drinking juices helps us radiate and shine from the inside out. Juicing helps improve our mental clarity and focus. We get better sleep. It improves our heart and overall health and wellness. So why not give it a try? So how do we choose the right juicer? If you are going to take your health seriously, it's best to invest in a durable juicer that's easy to assemble, easy to disassemble, easy to clean, or you won't want to juice because it's too much work. Consider the brand and what they stand for, their quality, their warranty, their safety. Convenience is key, and no one wants an ultra heavy machine or one that is bulky or doesn't look nice on our counter. You want to ensure that you get a high yield of juice, and you want a juicer that is cold pressed, meaning the nutrients stay intact. I'm an affiliate with Nama Wellness, and after years of juicing with many, many different juicers, I found the Nama J2 juicer is the queen of all juicers, and it checks all of my boxes. It is sleek, it is compact, easy to use, light. It has a wide opening so you can juice an entire recipe in one shot. And it has a set it and forget it feature where you can just walk away while the Nama J2 is juicing. It has shut-off centers if little hands go anywhere they're not supposed to. So it's very family friendly. Nama offers a no-interest payment plan and gives you a 15-year warranty. No other juicing company I know offers that. The Nama J2 juicer looks slick, sexy, and comes in black or white. The Nama J2 comes with a smoothie attachment cleaning brush, tupper, recipe book, product guide, and manual. It is a perfect juicer in looks and function for any health-conscious kitchen. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that I've inspired you to start juicing and to help you understand more about the impact juicing can have over our overall health, wellness, energy, and happiness. If you're interested in getting the amazing Nama J2 juicer, use my coupon code VeRAWonica and check out and get 10% off. And if you live in Canada, that's a $75 savings. The link is in the description below, where you can also access the full blog on this topic. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. And if you're interested in more information on how to live a rawlicious life, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be putting out more mindset, fuel style, and lifestyle videos absolutely free and that you can access without a subscription. Want to learn in depth? Want to learn how to transition to a healthier plant-based fuel style? Want to get coached by me? Check out my online resources and my contact information in the description below. It's time to take our health to the next level. And it's time to take it up a notch so you can change your game. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram. I'm VeRAWonica, and have a raw amazing